So we start off today's video with this major hair transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut. Beautiful blunt bob style. Nice, simple, and classic. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature a variety of hair transformations. So if you have been dreaming of a new hairstyle, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a gorgeous Pixie Style haircut. So it looks like they decided to switch it up by adding some blonde. Oh, gorgeous platinum. I love it. So chic and stylish. This is definitely one of my favorite hair trends that we're seeing this year. We saw it a lot, of course, last year, but heading into 2023, we're definitely seeing it more and more. So then we see someone with pretty long mid-length hair or mid-back length hair. Stylist did some beautiful layers here, added some color as well. Gorgeous. Now adding in some color to your hair as well as layers is a great way to just kind of refresh your hair this season. Do something a little bit different with it. Oh, I love the waves that he went back in with and added. And this, of course, really enhanced the layers that she has as well. So next up, it looks like someone is getting ready to cut their hair into a bob. Out of all the hairstyles that we are seeing, I think that the bob is definitely the most popular. Now this is a beautiful dimensional blonde bob styling. It does feature a center part down the middle. Gorgeous. So it looks like we have another color transformation. She decided to go with this beautiful sandy blonde coloring. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out these hair transformations featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you next time.